Now if you see in this tricep muscle, the corner of this muscle is not getting fixed with the skeletal geometry. You can see over here, yeah. Those two corners. But the center rig works properly. Let's hide the other muscles and have a look on the tricep muscle itself. Yeah, you can see. So to fix this, we can use this muscle pin. To do that, just click. It's just a handle. Just pin this into that region and it creates a muscle pin node which has flex, and you can see the handle scale over here, and this also has the same capture options. You can see those parameters, everything, but as of now it's not following this skeleton anatomical geometry since we have just placed a handle over there. So to do that, same as like other handles, means in the previous we have connected those muscle rigs, same thing here, it has to follow the clavicle bone. Yeah, it's getting followed, but there is no effect on the muscle. So to do that, select the trunk and muscle of muscle 3, and if you see in the rig source tab, it's getting the source from the muscle rig 3. Over here we need to add another rig as this muscle pin. Just click this add button and select this muscle pin. Once you select this, you can see it turns to the white color. Let me undo and redo it. Okay, you can see over here this white color region gives the less effect, which has more stiffness. Right, still there is no effect. It's because of this capture. If you see in the Franken muscle and if you go to this capture deform tab, you can see the display capture guide. You can see those teeth not capturing this muscle pin. So if we reduce the triangle size, okay, wait, let me change to 0.3 and let me hide it. Now you can see the change over here. Yeah, but still need to fix on the other side of the muscle. Let me create another pin and do the same process. Now let me enable all the Franken muscle. and hide the muzzle rigs. And let me give the secondary motion through the jiggle. Let me click use jiggle. Yeah. Let me fix the jiggle settings and start focusing on the flex in the next video. Thank you.